Hello, so this is advanced group by function. In last I have shown what is group by function. Now in this advanced group by function there are two more features. One is in this advanced function you can add header to the table. Whatever table we get we can have heading and we can have subtotals also. So let me show you this sheet again. This is the same sheet which is name of customer, the type of credit card provided by bank, item purchased by customers, then total amount spent by customers through credit card and the different types of credit cards. So let me show you the formula. What is advanced group by function with header, and then another example is I'm going to show is advanced group by function with subtotals and grand totals. So that's the same formula. Let's revise. In last video I've created group by function. So let's say I want to create a table, and the table I want is maybe by bank name. I can create bank name and totals, or we can have credit card types and totals. So let's say I'm selecting bank. I want how many banks are providing credit card and how much of money spent by customers on credit card, and my second variable is subtotal totals, comma, you can give formula sum. What you want sum, you want average, or you want percentage. So I want sum, bracket close, and it will just give you simple table that is bank name and totals, but the heading is missing in this. As you can see, I want heading also. That heading should be bank name and the second is total. So a small minor change you can do in this formula is after sum press comma, and then they ask you whether you want heading. So you can select 3, that is yes, show. So when you press 3 they will show you heading and the total, that means variable. The first heading is bank name and the second variable will be total as yes, and that you can see headings are available. The headings are bank name and totals, and the same heading they are taking from the main data table. So main data was having bank name and total amount. Now with the same data, let me give you the second example how to use subtotals. Subtotals means banks are giving you different credit cards. Credit cards can be MasterCard, Gold Card, Elite Card, Rupee Card. So I want what is the subtotal, how much of money are spent by customer on MasterCard Gold, how much of money customers are spending on Visa card, Rupee card, and so on. So the formula would be same. Again I'm selecting two variables. One is bank name and the second is type of credit card, because I want subtotal, so there must be two variables. So I'm selecting two variables. One is type of card and one is type of bank. Then comma sum, we select totals, then comma sum. Again you press 3, that means they will give you heading. Now one more comma, and the formula will ask you whether you want grand totals and subtotals, and if you press 2 bracket close, they will give you the total of this. So let me show you this formula again. This formula is original one, that is group by selecting two variables, then comma, then we'll select sum, then comma, we select 3 to have heading, and then one more comma, and you can select grand totals and subtotals. So when you select 2, the formula is ready. The formula will give you grand totals and subtotals. And let me again select my main variables for grand total and subtotal. So my main variables are, one is bank name and one is credit card. So I'm just again selecting this, that is credit card type and bank name. Now when you press enter, yes, as you can see, let me highlight, let me focus on this. So this is credit card type, type of bank, and amount spent. So this is grand total, you have heading also. And now let me highlight the subtotals. So the first is MasterCard Elite, and after MasterCard Elite they give you subtotals of this. Then MasterCard Gold, how much of money total spent by MasterCard Gold. Then MasterCard World, Rupee Classic. So all these subtotals are also available by using group by, that is called advanced group by formula. That's the same formula. So in previous video I've just shown you how to create table. Now in this video We can also use how to add headings and how to make subtotals. So thank you very much for the listening.